guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just got myself a basket, and today we are shopping at the dollar store, and of course I don't have a budget, so keep that in mind. But before we get started, if you are new here, definitely stick around, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because this channel is all about shopping, and I also have a second channel as well, so keep that in mind. But the first section that I really want to look at, of course, is the makeup section, because they seriously have so many things over here, and of course new products, so make sure you watch the whole entire video. But let me go and show you guys these new under eye pads. They look so good. So these under eye pads seriously look amazing. So it has retinol, which is seriously so good, and it claims to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it says keep it on for 15 minutes. So I can't wait to try these out. So of course I need to bring home 2 of these, so one for me and one for you, but very exciting find so far. And I can't believe I just found more of these here, you guys. So it's green, I recently bought a blue one and a rose gold one. It's seriously gorgeous, so of course I need to add this one to my collection. So pretty. But what do you guys think about this color? I have to know. And keep in mind it's actually a nice shadow stick, so really pretty. So you guys know I'm a lipstick junkie, but honestly I don't see anything new, so we are actually going to pass over the lipsticks today. Gosh, you guys won't believe this. I just found a bunch of new skincare products down here, so of course I have to show you. So it looks like they have the lip scrub, sleep mask, and the moisturizing skin cream. So of course I need to try out these products like ASAP. So make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to know what I think, but there's honestly a lot. So here's a closer look of the moisturizing skin cream. So they actually have 2 options here. The one to the right is hyaluronic acid, which is really good, and this one is actually a multivitamin moisturizer. So of course I need to bring home both of these, and I promise I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram stories. But honestly I'm very excited about the skin cream. But which one are you guys going to get? Definitely let me know. But really pretty packaging too. And you guys know I love trying out lip scrubs and sleep masks. So the pink one is obviously the lip scrub, so it's called Pink Sugar, super cute. And look at the packaging, I love it so much. So of course I have to get one for me and one for you. Seriously an exciting find, and I think I'm going to get the last one too for a friend. So here's a closer look of the sleep mask, you guys. So it's blue, which is pretty cute, and it also has hyaluronic acid, so really good, you know. Of course I have to try this one out, and I have to get the last lip scrub. Seriously exciting, and I promise this brand is actually pretty good for $1. And look what else I just found, you guys. So the spa treatment masks, these are actually really good, but keep in mind we actually saw this before. So a charcoal spa treatment mask, I really enjoy it, and it says just keep it on your face for 15 minutes. But of course I have to try this one out. Seriously exciting, but keep in mind you only get one of these, and it says it has vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, but vitamin C is actually really good, so I highly recommend. And look at this one, you guys. So a hyaluronic spa treatment mask, like of course I need to bring it home too. Seriously exciting, you know. Definitely hit the jackpot today, you guys, and I love everything in my basket so far. But right now I'm actually in the candle section, and we are actually going back to the makeup section after this, because I really want to look at the nail polishes, so keep that in mind. And of course I have to look at the hair accessories and the stationery section, so there's still a lot to go over. But let me go and show you guys these really cute candle holders. But here's a closer look of the candle holders, you guys. They have so many options here. It's seriously amazing. And look at this one right here. So it just says love, really cute, and I love the purple one too, you guys. So adorable. But these are also new, so black and gold. They also have clear and gold. I mean, they have so much. It's seriously crazy, but please let me know which one you guys are going to get. And look at this pink one. It says love as well, and these are also new, you guys. So lemongrass, ginger, lily, lavender, passion fruit. Honestly this one smells really good, so I have to bring it home with me and just put this in the laundry room. It's going to smell amazing, you know. And look at the cute candles, you guys. I love it so much, and I recently showed you guys a bunch of these in my previous videos, so definitely check it out, you know. But it's finally time to move on to the decor pieces, you guys, and I actually see a couple of new ones, which is so exciting. And I'm not sure if I'm going to bring it home with me, because I feel like it's not going to match our house. We are going with a modern theme, you know. Anyways, let me go and show you guys a closer look of this one right here. But I love what this one says. Super cute. So always be yourself unless you can be a mermaid, and the colors are gorgeous. So orange and pink. I love it so much, you guys. And of course they have random pieces over here. I recently bought really cute ones, and I showed you guys in my previous videos, but this one is also new. So it says this kitchen is seasoned with love. Super cute. And they still have these camera frames here as well, and I love the photo frames. Super cute, you know. And I can't believe they have more pieces down here, you guys. But look at these, so cute. It says renovation fun, Monday should be optional. The other one is super colorful, so dream. I love the pink and purple on it. And the next one says Monday should be optional. They have more of the dream, you guys. So cute. Yes, I have to bring this home with me. It's going to look so cute in the girls room. And if you guys like this one, one it says today will be awesome. On the other side it says out of office. So cute. Of course I need it too. Time to go back to the makeup section because they have a bunch of nail polishes over here, and they actually have Pedicure Flip-Flops, which is so exciting, and they have multiple colors too, so let me go and show you. So it looks like you get 2 of them for $1, you guys. Really good deal. So that means only 50 cents each, and they have the colors green, blue, and pink. Actually they have one more color, so purple, but you guys know I have to get the pink one. So cute. I can't believe you get 2 of them, you know, but I hope that you guys find this one too. And look what else I just found, you guys. So they have a bunch of nail polishes over here, but my favorite brand is definitely Kiss. So if you guys see it, please pick it up. You won't regret it. I seriously own every single color, and these are really nice too. So the brand Wet n Wild and LA Colors. I own a bunch of these as well, and eye glow is actually pretty good too, you guys. So you get 3 for $1. Definitely a steal. So you guys won't believe this. I actually just found a bunch of Wet n Wild nail polishes, which is so exciting. But you guys are seriously going to love the colors. They have a baby pink color, which is so beautiful. So of course I have to get one for me and one for you. So here's a closer look of this one, you guys. The baby pink color is seriously to die for. And keep in mind, these are usually like $3 at Walmart, so definitely a steal for $1. But I have to show you guys the rest of the colors. So this blue one is actually new, and I know many of you guys love blue, so this one is going to you. But I'm pretty sure we have seen the green one before, but I could be wrong. And look at this one, you guys. Super pretty. So it's a nude pink color, which I love. So of course one for me and one for you. Very exciting find, you know. But this location is seriously amazing, you guys. They have so many nail polishes, which I love. They have clear down here, pink, blue. I mean, there's a little bit of everything, which is awesome. So I love looking at the skincare section, and I actually found some new things, which is so exciting. So hot and cold eye pads, and it's actually a donut, which is so adorable, you guys. Like, of course I need to bring it home with me. Don't you guys love the donut hot and cold eye pads too? It's seriously to die for. So it has green and pink sprinkles, which I love so much. And I was hoping to see more donut ones, you guys. I guess I got lucky when I found this one, but I'm going to pass on the kiwi one. Super exciting. So real quickly, I want to look at the hair accessories, you guys, and hopefully I find some really cute ones over here, but it still looks very empty, so it looks like it's sad once again, but maybe next week it's better. Actually, I see a couple of new headbands. So this one is dark blue, the other one is a light blue color. Honestly, I feel like I've seen these back in Florida, but I could be wrong, but I'm still going to bring them home just in case. And they actually have white with a cream color, which is really pretty. I can see myself using this one the most. But here's another look of the hair accessories, you guys. I don't see anything else that is new, so we might as well move on. So it's finally time to move on to the socks, you guys, and look at this one. It's so colorful and so adorable, of course, but do you guys see anything so far? Just let me know. And usually the sock section is definitely a hit or miss, and they still have a bunch of these shoe liners I highly recommend, but of course I have to get these knee-high socks. So cute. And I just noticed this shoe liner, you guys, so it's new. It's a dark purple color with pink. Of course I need it. And these also have grips as well, so keep that in mind. Oh my gosh, you guys, you won't believe this. So I just found some welcome mats down here for only $1, which honestly blows me away, you know? And it actually feels really nice. So this one just says home with a heart, which is so adorable, you guys. If I didn't have a welcome mat yet, of course this one would be coming home with me. And it actually matches the modern theme too, so really awesome find. And they actually have another one, but let me go and show you guys a closer look. I'm seriously in love with this one, you guys. Honestly, this one is my favorite, but here's another one. So it's gray and blue, and it just says bless. So adorable, you guys. And I see another new one. I'm not sure what it says, but it's gray and white. This is really nice if you're going with a modern theme. They just have so many options, you guys. It's seriously crazy. What are you guys going to get? Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. But it's finally time to move on to the stationery section, so hopefully I can find some new stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys, I see really cute notebooks. So this one says sweet with the ice cream. And look at the other one. It says star power. I mean, they have so many cute options, you guys. Seriously crazy. And look at this one. I love the blue and the green together. And I recently bought this one right here. So it says but first coffee. The pink one says you are made of magic. And of course the pineapple one just reminds me of Florida. So really cute. And here's the other side, you guys. So they have a bunch of crayons here. I've never seen the metallic ones before. And of course they have neon too. So really awesome. So I really want to show you guys this section too, because I see a couple of things that I really want to bring home for the girls. And I'm probably going to add a bunch of this to their stockings. So keep that in mind. So this place is definitely the place to go for stockings. So I've never seen this here before, you guys, and it's only $1. It says that it's soft and cute. Like, of course I need to get this. And the packaging, of course, is adorable. And I just noticed everything down here as well. So look at these bracelets, super adorable. So you get 2 for $1. And if you guys go to Walmart or Target, I believe these are $5, so keep that in mind. This one is seriously to die for. I love it. So I had a lot of fun showing you guys my favorite sections in the dollar stores, so that is actually going to be it for this one. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like always, please give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you are new, don't forget this channel is all about shopping, so definitely stick around, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. But I'll see you guys in my next one.